Definitions of Chapter 11, Class 7th. Pulse, the rhythmic throbbing movement due to blood flowing in the arteries. So, this movement is called pulse. It can be measured by placing hand on the wrist. Capillary, the finest branches of arteries and veins. These are called capillaries. Capillaries help in the exchange of materials between blood and the body cells. Children, you can see here the artery divided into many times very fine tubules, and these fine tubules are called capillaries. And then these capillaries join together to form the vein. Plasma, the colorless liquid part of blood from which all blood cells have been removed. So this fluid is called plasma. Hemoglobin, red coloring respiratory pigment present in red blood cells. Hemoglobin, so this carry oxygen in our body. Immune, defense system of the body, including the white blood cells and antibodies. So this is called the immune system. Immune system means this is the defense system. Defense means protecting system to protect our body, and it includes the white blood cells and antibodies which help in protection of our body from the various diseases. Translocation of food, transportation of prepared food by flowing to different storage organs. So this is called translocation of food. Vacuole, fluid filled spaces present in a plant cell containing water, minerals and glucose that make the cell. Osmosis, process of movement of solvent molecules from dilute to concentrated solution separated by a semi-permeable membrane. So this process is called osmosis. Children, in osmosis, only the solvent molecules, example water, so this move from dilute to concentrated solution, and these two solutions must be separated by semi-permeable membrane. Next definition is of semi-permeable, a membrane that allows passage of certain molecules only. So this membrane is called semi-permeable membrane. Transpiration, loss of water in the form of water vapor through aerial parts of the plant. So this process is called transpiration. Children, you can see here in the pic, the water is lost from the aerial part, that is the leaves of the plant, in the form of water vapor. So the transpiration take place, and this causes water to pull up from the root to the aerial parts. Vascular tissue, conducting tissues in plants responsible for transportation of water and food. For example, xylem and phloem. So these are called vascular tissues. Vascular tissues, their function is only transportation of substances like water and food.